Welcome back, students. So in our last lecture, chapter solutions, the last part that we covered was types of solutions, in which we have studied three types: isotonic solution, hypertonic solution and hypotonic solution. So as we have covered all the four colligative properties, now we have here the numerical based on these colligative properties. That first one is lowering of vapor pressure. So once again, to recollect the equation for lowering of vapor pressure, and more specifically relative lowering of vapor pressure. The equation is given like this: P naught minus P upon P naught is equal to mole fraction of the solute. Okay, and also we have the equation for lowering of vapor pressure given by P naught minus P upon P naught is equal to W into M, capital M, and we have one more mass here, capital W multiplied by M dash. And you also know the meaning of each term which is involved in this equation. So once you have just written down this particular equation in your notes, then we have this numerical first one, and I'll read out this numerical for you. So one thing is very clear when you watch this video, so your notes should be with you, because I have just written the solution for the numerical. So first numerical for this first colligative property. Question is, the vapor pressure of pure benzene at certain temperature is 200 mm mercury. At the same temperature, the vapor pressure of solution containing 2 grams of non-volatile solute is 78 grams. Containing 2 grams of the non-volatile solid. So 2 grams of non-volatile solid present in 78 grams of benzene, and for that the vapor pressure is 195 mm mercury. We have to calculate here what is the molecular weight of the solid asked in the question. So we have to calculate the molar mass of solid, that means solute. So data, first we will write down the data which is given in the question. So we have vapor pressure of benzene, pure solvent, 200 mm mercury. Then we have vapor pressure of the solution, which is containing 2 grams of solid, that is solute, in 78 grams of benzene solvent. And for that solution, the vapor pressure is 195 mm mercury. Molar mass of solvent is 78, that you can calculate. You know the molecular formula of benzene, that is C6H6. So you substitute the atomic masses, add up the atomic masses of all the atoms present in benzene, and then you get 78 as the molar mass of benzene. And now we have to calculate the molar mass of solid, a non-volatile solid having mass 2 grams. So as you have written the equation here for lowering of vapor pressure given by the scientist Raoult, and the law is called as Raoult's law. So same equation you have to write again in the solution, and then here you substitute the values for this particular lowering of vapor pressure, that is P naught minus P upon P naught. So values are given here. P naught is 200, P is 195. So you substitute here 200 minus 195 upon 200. Small w is the molar mass of the solute. So you write down 2 grams here. Then capital M is the molar mass of solvent, 78 grams. And mass also they are given here for the solvent, 78 grams. So we have to calculate M dash. So here in the equation, Okay, and final answer m dash, that is molar mass of the solid, you will get 80. This is the final answer, and please cross check your answers. Now we have the second numerical based on the second colligative property, that is elevation of boiling point. So this is a question given in the notes. 10 grams of a non-volatile solute when 100 grams of benzene raise its boiling point by 1 degree centigrade. What is the molar mass of solute? And in bracket they have given Kb, molar elevation constant Kb. Okay, ebullioscopic constant Kb 2.53. Okay, so once you see Kb is given, it's very clear that the numerical is based on elevation of boiling point. Now you write down the data. So first you will write down Kb 2.53. What is the mass of solute given here? 10 grams of non-volatile solute. So 10 grams of solute. Capital W means mass of the solvent, benzene 100 grams. And there is elevation in the boiling point. Raise or rise. Rise means elevation. Okay, and that value they are given 1 degree centigrade. Okay, and the formula also we know. Formula is m dash is equal to Kb into 1000 into W upon capital W into delta Tb. So substitute the values and you get the answer m dash is equal to 253. Okay, this formula already we have written. Okay, we have seen in the last lecture and notes also. Now here the third colligative property, which is depression in the freezing point. I told you that depression in the freezing point equation is similar to elevation of the boiling point. ओके, फर्क क्या रहेगा यहाँ पे? Kb के जगह पे आपको यहाँ पे Kf और डेल्टा Tb के जगह पे F, लेकिन इक्वेशन सेम है तो न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है. ऐसे वैल्यू आपको दिए जाएंगे एंड सेम वे यू हैव टू सॉल्व. So directly coming to the fourth colligative property, that is osmotic pressure. So let us see, and these are the equations for osmotic pressure that we have seen last time, kind of equation. So I'll read out the question for you. Calculate the osmotic pressure of an urea solution at 25 degrees centigrade which contains 5 grams of urea. Molar mass of urea is given 60 dissolved in 100 centimeter cube of solution. Okay, so from the data which you are going to write, okay, and which you will get from the question, that you have to write first. W, small w, mass of solute 5 grams. M dash, molar mass of solute 60 grams, which is also given in the question. Then volume 0.1 liters. R value is 0.082 because volume we have taken in liters. Temperature is given at 25 degrees centigrade, but that also now we have to convert into Kelvin, that is 25 plus 273. 25 plus 273. So you will get the answer in Kelvin, 298 Kelvin. So according to end of equation, so first you write down the equation, okay, and then whatever values you have with you, the data that you have, okay, and you have calculated osmotic pressure pi, substitute the values and okay, the final answer in this case you will get osmotic pressure, you will get 20.4, okay, atmospheres. Since it is a pressure, units will be atmospheres. So 4 colligative properties, their equations, okay, numericals, okay, one numericals of each type is over, okay, and one small concept of abnormal molecular mass is remaining, okay, that will continue in the next lecture, and before that only you will receive the PDF for that particular part. Okay, so revise this concept well. Any doubts you can ask. Okay, so take care, have a nice day, thanks.